टुरिझम सर आज तुम्ही कर्टन रेजर म्हणटा पळय ते कार्निवल अशें कार्निवल बेजिकली 4 days आसता किंग मोहम्मदचे डिक्री जावनूच स्टार्ट बट तुमी स्टार्ट करता हाऊ इट इज
कार्निवल इज अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ द पीपल. इट इज पीपल्स फेस्टिवल आणि पीपल्स फेस्टिवल ट्रेडिशनली which has been bought by the Catholic community at large from Indo-Portuguese time. आणि आता जेन्ना तिमोथ गेल्लो from the history of 67 when King Mohammed came in, it is very important that our traditions go everywhere possible. Every year 4 major towns and minor venues are always there. This year today we have increased the flavor so much that many smaller towns, smaller villages, बाकीच्याकडे आपले फेस्टिवल त्यांनी चालू केले. We are supporting them whatever we can. Major towns which are there, we have already started doing. Porvorim today has got the highlight because it's not only my constituency. It is a growing constituency where the secretariat is there, where the high court is there, all government offices are coming in, and it is growing very fast. People from other areas like Panjim and surrounding have shifted to Porvorim. So today what we are doing is a trial of new thoughts. We need to reach out to the people. So precursor म्हणजे we are just giving a basic picture trailer कसं असतं, it is a start. The decree, everything traditionally followed up will be the same thing which is followed up traditionally at Panjim tomorrow. We are only hoping that the Panjim Carnival Committee supports in the same manner that we are expecting them to support. कित्याक मातशे आमी लागल्या खूप फाटल्यान तांचे. There have been some shortfalls which they have told them. We have told them to do it. Our Director Tourism has been continuously following up with them, Mr. Abhishek, and we expect them to at least support the whole thought process. That carnival is people's festival. The Kami Carnival Panjim Committee comes under CCP, and we expect similar type of reciprocity models where everybody is in a mood of carnival. So carnival is a celebration, and आमी कोणी जे फाल्यां जे करतले तातूंतल्यान we are giving a different thought. You will see a helicopter, you will see floats in the water, you will see new tourism services which will be along with that. हातून एक नवो फ्लेवर दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. ह्या वर्साक जाता इतले ट्रेडिशनल करप आमचो प्रयत्न आशिल्लो, पूण फुडल्या वर्साक परत पयलींचे ट्रेडिशन आसा तशें दाखोवप. लेस ऑफ कमर्शियलायझेशन, more of tradition is what we want to showcase. At the end of the day, the government is a facilitator and carnival is people's carnival.
पण आज तुमच्या का किंग मोहम्मद आसा न्हू, फाल्यां किंग मोहम्मद डिक्री वाचता, पण आज कितें
जेन्ना जेन्ना किंग मोहम्मद डिक्री वाचता तेन्नाच्यान अनाउन्स जाता.
आज कितें जाता?
आज carnival is a precursor. He is just along with the floats to showcase what a carnival is, which we are doing today. And from tomorrow, the carnival festival fully starts. Before the length period, 18, 19, 20, 21. या 4 दिसान वेगळ्या वेगळ्या गावांनी आमचो बाब जी तारोलकर मोर्जे, he is doing his own carnival. When he is doing his own carnival, he is having his own king momo. आमचो वचनात. आता हांगा आमी ताका another thing which we would like to add. Food and cultural festival every year was held in Panjim. This year we have sent it, we have put it across in Mandre. We want to try Mandre this time. कित्याक फूड एंड कल्चर जो आमचो आसता तो जगाच्या इंटरनॅशनल ट्रॅव्हलर आनी डॉमेस्टिकान पळोवपाचें आसता. पेंजीम नॉर्मली अट्रॅक्ट्स डॉमेस्टिक फुटफॉल्स. आमचे गोंयचे येतात फूड एंड फेस्टिवलाक. सो आमी तो ह्या फाटी ऑन अ ट्रायल बेसीस वी हॅव गॉन टू मांद्रे. सो वी विल हॅव लॉट ऑफ इंटरनॅशनल फुटफॉल्स, वी विल हॅव लॉट ऑफ डॉमेस्टिक प्लस महाशिवरात्रीक आणि बाकीचे कार्यक्रम करता आसतना वी हॅव फ्युज्ड इट इन अ मॅनर दॅट वी शो अवर इंडियन कल्चर ऑल्सो एज वी शो फूड एंड कल्चरल फेस्टिवल्स. सो ह्या हातूंतल्यान नवे विचार सुरू जे जाल्या ते म्हाका दिसता खुबशे येता त्या दिसांनी आमकां बरें पडटलें टू एटलीस्ट शोकेस वॉट वी हॅव एज व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग रूट्स इन आवर कल्चर एंड ट्रेडिशन.
अशें आयकता की फूड फेस्टिवल थिंगा शिफ्ट केला की बाबा रामदेवाचो प्रोग्राम.
कोण कितें उलयतले आमी बाबा रामदेव इज नॉट फूड एंड कल्चरल फेस्टिवल डजंट स्टार्ट at 5 in the morning. Food and cultural festival are evening festivals. So whoever wants to make politics out of it, we cannot comment. We are very clear as a party, as a government, we are very clear in what we are doing. And when we are trying Mandre also, there is a thought. Because we need to understand the reciprocation of foreign and international tourists and domestic tourists.
आगवात इश्यू जाला पळय तो तिका बार कितें ओपन ती कितें ते इश्यू
म्हाका दिसता मागीर उलयल्यार बरें. डोंट मिक्स दिस. लेट्स कार्निवल गेट ओवर. After carnival gets over, you please ask me this question again. I will reply appropriately. एकूच आमी जाणीव करपाक जाय की हो सरकार डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंता बरोबर जो आसा under him, he is responsible enough to respect the sentiments of every freedom fighter and the sacrifices they have done. We will not go wrong anywhere. But if somebody is not understood it, we would like to showcase what the whole interest is. when you want to showcase it as an iconic where our sacrifices were held, आमचे ज्या लोकांनी sacrifices केल्या ते जगाक समज पळोवपाक जाय that their destination as आमी जे केला through central funds, we need to ensure that operation and maintenance also is there. This operation and maintenance जो खर्च आसा त्या मनशाक आमी आज म्हणला सरकार पैसे घालचो ना, पयल्यान तो आमकां पैसे दितलो. ताज्या खातीर जे पैसे येतले मेंटेनन्साक प्लस इट विल प्ले द गव्हर्नमेंट. It is very important that we ensure that we have right type of people coming there. So to facilitate, if anything is done, we have to be clear the museum area and the jail area where we respect the sentiments of freedom fighters are not done, nothing is done. Food court area जी demarcate केली, activities जे कोणी आयले फाल्यां G20 आसतले, you will cater them for G20 to showcase our sacrifices of freedom fighters. तांकां फाल्यां थंय समज खंय हें करपाक जाय रिफ्रेशमेंट्स आनी बाकीचे दिवपाक जाय. फूड कोर्ट एरिया इज डिमार्केटेड.
So is it a food court area?
It is a food court area.
No liquor.
And the reception area, which has been there to host people who are coming from various parts of the country and internationally to see what our Arwaz photo things of like this are there. So मजा हातून म्हाका दिसता आज कार्निवल आसा. Let us enjoy the carnival festival of the people.
Okay. Sir,
Goa Carnival and Brazil Carnival, what do you find the difference between Goa Carnival and the Brazil Carnival?
sir, तुमचं
Brazil, Goa is Goa.
तुमचं एकूच कमेंट, जनरल कमेंट
Goinkar, Orrat Goinkar, Orrat Carnival.
सर तुमचं एक
Material in metals is less.
सर तानावाडे बाब तुमचं आयज कार्निवल सेलिब्रेशन स्टार्ट जाता सो
एक वेगळा जशें आमचे मंत्री रोहनबाब खंवटे हांच्यांनी सामकें सविस्तर तुमकां सांगिल्लें आसा आनी रोहनाचें एखादें करता आसतना एक वेगळें ताका प्रोफेशनलिजम हें तांच्यांनी सारकें दिल्लें आसा आनी एक बऱ्या तरेन ऑर्गनायज ह्या वर्सा ताचे पेक्षा बऱ्या तरेन फुडल्या वर्सा करप अशें तांच्यांनी सांगिल्लें आसा. हांव तांकां शुभेच्छा दिता आनी आज पासून कार्निवलाची सुरवात जाता तशें तांच्यांनी सांगलें आज हें जातलें आनी फाल्यां पणजेन एज युजल जे सुरू जावचें तें सुरू जातलें. तांच्यांनी बऱ्या तरेन तुमकां सगळें ब्रीफ केलें.
तूं कार्निवलाच्या मुड्यान सो दिसता कॅब घालून.
अरे डेफिनेटली तरी बोलतो शर्ट घालून हांवें एक कार्यक्रमाक गेलो तो हांगा आयला.
हे आयज कार्निवल जाल्यार तितून तूंय खुशी आसतलो. सी फूड फेस्टिवल तुज्या सायडीच्यान येला म्हणून.
आमच्या ऑनरेबल टुरिझम मिनिस्टरान आमकां एक मांद्रेकारांक एक गिफ्ट कळ्ळें. फूड फेस्टिवल जे फर्स्ट टायम पणजेंतल्यान भायर मांद्रे दिला. सो आमी इतलेच हॅपी आहात सगळे मांद्रेकार.
सो तूं थिंगाच रावचें थिंगाच उरचें अशें म्हणून मागतलो मागीर फुडें फुडें.
सक्सेसफुली जर हे फावट दाखयलें जाल्यार ते डिसिजन डेफिनेटली कितें तरी बरें घेतलें पॉझिटीव घेतलें.